Yeah, I'm Sam with Premier Plastics, and this is one of the tanks that we sponsored for the Harmony House project in Vancouver. It's a 960-gallon vertical tank. It's made with high-density polyethylene, and we're going to take you inside and show you how they're all made. Some of the other items that we manufacture here at Premier Plastics are traffic barricades, below-ground septic tanks, below-ground cisterns, truck hauling tanks. We've got a different variety of sizes. We have basically a size to fit anybody's needs. We have low-profile tanks. We have tall 5,000-gallon tanks. We can store any types of materials that anyone needs to store. The beginning process for roll-to-molding is receiving the material in. The material that we get comes in two different forms. It comes in a bagged form and it comes in a box form. And what that material is polyethylene powder, which is pulverized before we get it. These are the bags. They're pre-weighed sacks of 50 pounds. And this is what the polyethylene looks like. This is a pre-compounded material. It's a 35 mesh. And we use this material inside all of our molds. So what we have is a preset weight that goes into the molds for the molding process. Okay, what we have here, it's a roto-molding machine. What we have is an oven timer, and we have a cooling timer set in the machine. And what the machine does is we put a mold into the machine, and it rotates on a major axis and a minor axis, and it spreads polyethylene material on the mold surface, which is being heated by the open flame inside the oven. The controls on the machine are all pre-programmed so that the distribution of the material is even on the part. And it's cooking right now, and it'll be in there for the next half an hour. So what we have a 2-minute warning that's just occurred, and the operators will come over and they'll just monitor this piece coming out of the oven. It's a very large part with big moving components, which it automatically comes out, and someone just has to be here just to monitor it in that stage. So what's going to happen? The oven doors are going to open, the cart itself is going to slow the rotation down, and it's going to go right back to the cooling position, and then it'll cool for another 40 minutes. So that's the molding process and how rotational molding works. And thanks for coming to Premier Plastics.